Good day, Mame Panto. Today I will represent group number 5 on the statistics PT. I will show a brief presentation on sampling distributions. Exploring sampling distribution of the mean using family data. Part 1. Data collection. First and foremost, we have to ask the members of the aforementioned group to iterate and enlighten us with the number of siblings they have, themselves included. This came as a result of that. These are the number of siblings of each members. This is how we calculated the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation. And this is our solution. Generating samples. Sample size of 3 students, n equals 3. We followed your instructions, Mame Panto, and arranged them in ascending order. As you can see, our mean is 64. This is our sampling distribution of the sampling means. This came as a result of our table. This is our histogram.
Go.
This is our solution to the sample mean, sample variance, and standard dev. This is our solution. This is how we solve it. And in order to get the standard error, we used the standard deviation and divided it by 3. This came as a result. Guide questions number 1. How does the mean of the sample mean compare to the population mean? The mean of the sample mean is equal to the population mean. So in your case, sample means average of 2.25. Population mean equals to the same. They match. This is a key data in statistics. Guide question number 2. What do you notice about the spread of variability of the sample means versus the original population? The spread of variability of the sample means is smaller than the spread of the original population. Why? The original population has value that range more widely. 1, 2, 2, and 4. But when you take averages of samples, like means of 3 members, extreme values balance out. More so, the results are less spread out. Note the smaller spread of samples means is called the standard error, and it's always less than the population standard deviation, unless the sample size is 1.
Go.
Guide question number 3. What can you infer about the central unit theorem based on this activity? From this activity, we can see that the sample means cluster around the population mean. This shows that the average of all sample means equals to the population mean, 2.25. The spread of the sample means is smaller than the original data. Averages more than stable than individual values. The shape of the sample mean distribution starts to look normal, even though the original data isn't perfectly normal.
Go.
Summary. So this activity gives a clear example of CLT in action. As we take more samples, and especially bigger ones, the distribution of their means becomes more normal and centered around the true population mean. What challenges did your group face, and how did you solve them? My group and I are people who come from a diverse background. We face quite a few challenges in our journey, like having no Canva Premium and miscommunication. But our nature of hard work has made it so that we'd overcome those challenges. That's all for today, ma'am. Thank you very much.